I probably would. But I gave it to people that were my cousins. So yeah, I'm covering my cousins. A couple two different, a couple of people that I know. I didn't still see them.
Right.
But I don't get for granted. We can do it in one day. You can do it in one day. You can.
Hey, so yeah, we're gonna start this journey over real quick though. Another day we gotta get it. All right, come on, sit back for me, Panda. Don't be nervous. I won't just throw people out on the floor like I see everybody's IG video. That is so disrespectful. You know what I'm saying? At least put them in the person's lap. Don't just throw my shit on the floor. I might want to reattach my shit. Man, you know what I'm saying?
You don't understand like how the journey is.
Oh yeah, I mean I probably would share it to you too.
Yeah,
you know, I'd be like, wait a minute, man.
I'm like, and then, like, she like, well, suck it up. Like, no, it's like when you see your hair get cut, you like, wait, I've been doing this for.
He see, she done came by you.
We got the same birthday. Y'all see the hair going into that lock. Bam, bam, bam. Clean. Clean. I'm telling you it is, and chess is like life.
Yep.
It definitely teaches you how to look at all players on the board and what they could possibly do.
Try to play without the queen.
No, you can't.
But you can.
I mean, no, you can, because the queen is the one you saving.
That's what you try to say.
Right.
I don't play with her on the board.
I want to save all my players, honestly.
I don't play with her at all.
Now, some of them I put up to bat to be taken because they, you know.
Supposed to.
Yeah, I know.
Open the board up.
Absolutely. Oh, I know. I don't know well like I want to, but I want to get back into playing like I used to when I was a kid.
That's the best game. I don't like playing against women though.
Y'all see that lock-in method? Why? Because we emotional?
No, because they can beat you easily.
Yes, they can. Our minds.
Yep, y'all already been 20 moves ahead.
Y'all see how quick he going with that, baby, that no-clip method?
Like, I used to love spaghetti, but I just don't.
I don't know, Zenzi. I don't know, Zenzi. I don't know. I don't know. My
Them fingers.
They moving. They moving. And then people gonna ask me how I cuff them.
Boom. Y'all see that cuff? Tuck, 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 tuck.
Tuck. The neat look. Neat
Tuck,
look.
honey, tuck.
Tuck.
Yeah.
Boom.
Yeah, I don't. Yeah, he can say he gonna cry when he get in the car. You ain't gotta pose for me.
Oh, no,
Yeah, I didn't know what you was doing.
I'm standing.
I stand. I was like, I don't know what
I
he.
stand like Greg.
I was like, I don't know what he posed. I mean, I thought he's like the freeze thing, you know. Shoot.
Nah, so it's 3 and everything. So
It's three in it's 3 in each one. You good? You can move. This is just a video. It's not a picture this time.
we ain't gonna leave. We gonna leave on a good note. Yeah, we done been together for 8 hours.
You know what I'm saying?
For a job opportunity. You know what I'm saying? So that's crazy. I need to get my face cut so bad.
Yep. Everything's cool. If I had a barber, you know what I'm saying? I need to hire a barber in this joint.